I'd like to give my heartfelt congratulations and thank you for such a fabulous workshop and for coming up with such a nice model for not only for this school but the society in general. This is an amazing session where we learn to know how to do what we do already. Yet it was such a profound shift in our paradigm. I wish more and more parents come to such programs and make this society a better for the younger generation. Thank you so much.
The session is very nice and very we got lot of information how to lead our children's life, and I'm very much happy attending this program. We want more and more program like this in order to make ourselves have a very good relationship with our child and make our child a leader in the society. Thank you.